So I'm out here today to prune back this peach tree that I got from Walmart last year on sale for about $12. Um, as you see, there is some new growth, but there is also a lot of dead wood, and there are only a few blooms here on this peach tree. Then I have this peach tree, which I ordered online last year, and it is full of blooms. See if I can get the camera to. It's full of blooms. It's full of peaches. But I also have to prune this tree back. I know I cannot save all of the peaches on this tree either. So I'll let you guys see what I do. I hope I do a great job. First time pruning either of these trees. First time pruning a peach tree, period, of any kind. So I hope I do well. I hope I do well. So as you can see, I've given this tree a pretty extreme haircut. It died back to right here. So I cut it back to where it was beginning to grow, and that's here. These two nodes are growing out, so I cut it back to those two nodes, and I cut off all of the dead wood. This was the top here. I don't know if the sun is making it hard, but this was the top of the tree, and I took all of that off. That's all I did. Nothing is going to come from that. No growth, no anything is coming from that. So it's dead. And so this is a very small tree now, and it's still going to grow. I left the fruit on. And let me see. I see why I didn't. I should take this off. Be careful not to damage the new growth. And later on in the season, if I need to take it back some more, I will. Okay, so it's looking kind of sad right now, but hey, it's about to warm up and everything is going to be fine with this tree. I have no doubts that it will do well. Okay, so here's my peach tree that was ordered online last year. I gave it a minor haircut. I don't want to take off too much fruit. I don't want to take off too much growth and stunt the tree or do something that will cause an adverse reaction to the tree. So I only took the tips off of the tree because from my understanding, cutting the tips will force the branches to thicken up and withstand the fruit. It will be able to hold all of the fruit on the tree. So I took the tips off of the top. I took the tip off right here. I took a tip off right here. Let's see, make it out of the light. I took tips off of here and here, and I didn't cut that one back. There was some I did not cut back because, like I said, I don't want to ruin the tree, and I do want us to have some fruit, although I know I will have to thin a lot of these buds later in the season. I don't think this small trunk can hold all of the buds that are on here, but this is my tree so far. Okay, and you can see all of the pink eyes. These are about to pop in a few weeks probably. Okay, so I'll keep you guys updated.